Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to create a trigger for you or your client to receive a notification when a lead replies to a campaign. Let's go ahead and click on triggers. From here, we're going to create a new trigger. Let's give the trigger a name. Now let's give the trigger specific parameters and filters. So since this specific trigger is when a lead replies to a campaign, assuming that you already know how to create a campaign, we're going to look for customer replied. Now, what this means is that when a customer replies to a campaign, this trigger will kick in. The automation of this trigger will kick in. Now, let's add filters to it. Reply to campaign. This is important because if you don't set this up, this trigger would apply to all the campaigns, which it's also an option. However, if you want to be more specific to that campaign that you want to receive a message, then you're going to select this filter. We're going to go for the first campaign, your offer, claim, nurture. Now let's add a second filter when deciding on the reply channel. So how's the lead replying to you? Basically, this is what it is. What channel is he using? A call, an SMS, an email? So if the lead is replying to you by SMS, then this trigger will step in. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can add an extra filter if you want to be more specific, more peculiar on when this trigger gets activated. Then we can choose contain a phrase. So you run your campaign, the lead replies through SMS, and the lead says I am in. If the lead says I am in, then this trigger will kick in right away, and you'll get a notification. Now, what action should we perform? From here, we're going to start with send an email. From where? From our company services. To whom? To ourselves, or to our clients, or both. Subject, hey, lead reply. You can be more specific to your offer, claim, nurture campaign. Here, we're going to add a quick message. Hey, and let's give some custom values. First name. This is that information that your client or yourself will receive related to the lead. Excellent. Now, this one is for email. Now, this action right here, it's only for email, so you'll get a notification by email. However, if you want an extra notification, perhaps through SMS, then we're going to look for that option. Send SMS to the phone number. If you want to add another number, just add a comma. Message, we're going to copy and paste. And that's it. We're going to save this. In order for this trigger to be active, we need to activate it. Active. Go back to triggers. And as we can see, lead reply to campaign test has been activated. And that concludes how to create a trigger step by step for you or your client to receive a notification when a lead replies to a campaign.